what made you decide to start the political party? What was the thinking process?
So I came from a political family in the sense that we were never party political, but always political to help others in need, to speak our mind, to raise our voice when needed. So it became really important for me to do that as a student already. I joined the student council. In high school, I was part of political movements. So I was very political and politically influenced at that time. So no wonder during my high school years, I joined a political party, which I became more and more disenchanted until 2009, when after the elections, they lost seats, and nonetheless, they claimed that they had won the election. And that's something I couldn't stand, and so I decided on that day that I wanted to look for something else, and so I Googled. 2009, we already had Google, lucky me, so I found a Wikipedia page on parties in Luxembourg, and I checked them all up, and none of them really responded to my needs. So what do?